If you're viewing this video, there's a good chance that you haven't yet discovered the most effective method to generate spray foam insulation leads. Your product sells itself, but you're ready to dominate the competition and stand out as an industry leader within your market. Billboards, media advertisement, and dropping business cards all over the place are the most common methods of getting the word out about your spray foam insulation business. So what's wrong with this system? For one thing, everyone else is doing it, leaving little room for you to stand out in the industry. Everyone has access to about the same amount of ad space, the same tactics and techniques, and nobody has the edge. Right here, GetSprayFoamLeads.com is offering you the opportunity to get the edge on the spray foam insulation market in your area before the competition has a chance. This opportunity is only available for one business within any region. We never recycle leads, and we refuse to work with any of our current clients' competition. We will make sure that you become the leading spray foam insulation service in your area. Act quickly to grab this once-in-a-lifetime business-changing opportunity before someone else claims your region. If you're not quick enough to claim your region, you will quickly find out who was when you see the rising success of the region's new leading spray foam insulation service, dominating the market with high-quality leads and optimal exposure. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. We connect you with consumers who need your service. You decide if a lead is good. You can claim your region at GetSprayFoamLeads.com, but you must act fast. Click Get Leads now or call us at 888-901-3277.